Alright, Boatman back again. Got a 60 horsepower Evinrude here, 20-inch motor, power tilt and trim. Just went over the whole thing. Everything looks good on it. Water pump's pumping, cranking easy. Good compression. Decently clean. Alright, here you go, we'll crank it up. Alright, there it is. Alright. Got power tilt and trim. That all works. Alright, no leaks on nothing. Everything looks good. Comes with a stainless steel prop. This is just for the motor. No gas tank, no controls, no nothing, just motor. There's the hood. Alright. 1995. 20-inch Evinrude 60 horsepower 3-cylinder. Alright, y'all come get it. Boatman, Highway 90. Go check.